How to log out of Ring application. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Ring application. To log out of Ring application, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, open your Ring application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this section. Here at the top left, you'll find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of your screen to open this menu. And from this main menu, tap on this Account Settings option under Account. Once you tap on Account, you will be taken to your Account Settings page. Once you access this page, scroll down and at the very bottom of this Account Settings, you will find Sign Out button, which is similar to Logout. You just simply have to tap on this Sign Out button and it will ask you if you are really sure to sign out from your account or not. Go ahead and confirm it by tapping on Sign Out and wait for a while until you are logged out from your account. So in this way, you can easily log out of your Ring application on your mobile device. In the future, if you want to log back in, you just simply have to tap on the Sign In button and enter the login credentials to log into your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.